Can I travel to Italy with dependents? The simple answer is yes, but the logical answer is no. If you are coming across my page for the first time, I am Yuven and I share information about relocating to Schengen. So if this is something you want to do, please like and follow my page. Dependents generally are people maybe in the family circle who logically depend on the primary visa applicant. Dependents can be children, can be parents, can be a spouse or whosoever. So if you are planning to relocate particularly to Italy this year, you can actually travel with a dependent, but it is not logically advised to attempt to do so. Why? Because it's going to cost you a lot of money and it's going to also waste your time, and it's not actually certain. You would have to get a visa for yourself. You have to get at least a 12-month visa for yourself, and when you get this visa, you would then have to move on to apply for an independent visa for all members of your family which you want to relocate to Italy with. So this is also going to mean that you would have to provide maybe a sufficient proof of funds for yourself, because first of all, you're the primary applicant, but you would also have to do so for each and every family member you are traveling with. So if you are traveling with 3 family members, you have to provide a sufficient proof of funds. The Italian embassy is also interested in trying to see that you have enough income to be able to sustain you while you're in Italy. They want to be sure that you're not going to be a burden to the Italian welfare system. Aside from that, the process is not straightforward. You will need to give somebody the power of attorney in Italy, who is already in Italy, to do some processes here for you. The person would need to go to the Italian authorities, and the Italian authorities would need to submit some documents for you to show that you have, for example, a suitable accommodation. If you are traveling with family, you simply cannot just rent a one room in Italy to come and stay with them. It's not possible. You need to provide proof of suitable accommodation, most likely an apartment. So logically, it is advisable that you travel first and your family can join you maybe the years that are coming. This is advised because it's going to give you enough time to be able to settle down, to be able to work and get a suitable accommodation for them. If you have any more questions, you can ask them in the comment section about traveling to Italy in particular or to Schengen in general.